everyone, in this video I want to explain how you should insert your final answers and your computations in your Excel workbook. So when you start your exam, you will see an Excel file that you should download. In that Excel file, on the first sheet, you have your answers sheet. Then after that, you have a separate sheet for each question on the quiz one. So you should do the calculations for each question in the relevant sheet. And in the end, when you find the correct answer, you should come to your answers sheet and first insert the letter, your letter answer. For example, if for question 1 the correct letter answer is A, you insert A here. After that, assume that in question 1 you are asked to find net present value. So in the sheet related to question 1, you do all the calculations and you find NPV, for example, equal to 2. Then you go to your answer sheet under computation 1, you put an equal sign, and then you go to the sheet related to question 1 and choose the cell that contains your NPV, and then you click enter. So it is important that you do not insert your computations by hand, but what you should do is that you should link your computations to the relevant cell in the calculations for that question. Some of the questions may ask you to calculate more than one item, so you should insert all of the items that you are asked to calculate on your answers sheet. And at the end of the exam, you are asked to upload your Excel workbook. Thank you very much and good luck on your exam.